So this is a 350 watt bench grinder I picked up. It's pretty much a no-name brand, MEEC it's called, but I'm pretty sure it's just a Chinese knockoff of something. If you look on eBay or Amazon or any of those sites, you're going to find they all look exactly the same. So I'm just going to set it up here and give it a little test run and see how it works. Came with a few pieces, these little guards that you see me installing, and of course the power outlet and whatnot. After I installed the guards, I noticed that one of them happened to be a little loose. I decided to tighten it up and fix that, and then in the process of tightening it, I kind of decided otherwise, and I just threw them in the trash. I figured right here I'm going to give it a try on an old blade head lying around that I'd planned to make it a knife one day, but never got around to. It does its job. It grinds. I'm also going to try it with a wire brush here and see if it can remove some rust off an old screwdriver I got lying around. Replacing the wheel was quite simple, just 3 screws on the outer guard, 1 backwards threaded nut, switch the wheels, and off you go. Figured I'd better clamp it down. Once I got it clamped down, it worked quite a bit better. But I did notice that it's quite low on torque. Using the wire wheel with the screwdriver, I had a hard time putting a little force on it. Every time I put some force on it, it seemed to stall out the motor. I don't know if I caught that in the video. I don't think so. But other than that, I'd say it did a pretty good job, and it's probably going to get some use in my home garage here over the next little while. Probably until it dies, or until I decide to take it apart and use it for something else.